From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Barbados flying fish. Barbados, known as the land of the flying fish, has a deep cultural and culinary connection to this iconic sea creature. The flying fish, Exocoetidae, is not only a national symbol but also the star of one of the island's most beloved dishes, flying fish with cuckoo. Flying fish have long been abundant in the warm waters surrounding Barbados. Historically, indigenous Kalinago, Carib, people were the first to fish and consume them. However, it was during the colonial era that the dish evolved into a staple of Bajan cuisine. In the 17th and 18th centuries, enslaved Africans brought to Barbados adapted their traditional cooking techniques to local ingredients. They combined flying fish with cuckoo, a cornmeal and okra-based dish similar to West African fufu or fungi. This pairing became a symbol of survival, resilience, and cultural fusion. Originally, flying fish was often salted or dried for preservation, especially among fishermen who spent long days at sea. Over time, as cooking methods improved, Bajans began preparing it fresh, fried, steamed, or stewed in a rich, spicy tomato-based sauce with onions, peppers, and thyme. Cuckoo, made from cornmeal, a New World crop, and okra, an African introduction, provided a hearty, filling base that complemented the delicate flavor of the fish. The dish became a Friday tradition for many Bajans, akin to Fish Fridays in other Christian-influenced cultures. By the 20th century, flying fish with cuckoo was firmly established as Barbados's national dish. The flying fish even appears on Barbados's coins, passports, and official emblems, symbolizing the island's maritime heritage. Today, the dish is enjoyed in homes and restaurants across Barbados, with variations including fried flying fish, crispy and served with Bajan pepper sauce, steamed flying fish in a savory gravy, flying fish cutters, sandwiches and salt bread, a popular street food. The history of Barbados's flying fish dish is a story of cultural adaptation, survival, and national pride. From indigenous fishing techniques to African culinary influences and colonial-era developments, this dish remains a delicious testament to the island's rich heritage.
Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.